Many people think 5000 watts is only about higher speed, but for business use, it is really about working better and saving money over time. If you use an electric motorcycle for delivery or daily work, motor power can affect how much profit you make. Power helps work faster. When a bike struggles or breaks down often, the business loses money. A small motor works very hard when carrying weight or riding long distances.
Meanwhile, a 5000-watt motor works more easily under the same condition without any hard effort like small motors. This means smoother riding and reliable performance.
Carrying heavy loads. Delivery riders usually carry packages, food, or equipment. A 5000-watt motor gives stronger pulling power called torque. This helps the bike move easily even when it's fully loaded. When a bike does not struggle, it lasts longer. Riding on hills and rough roads. Some roads have hills and uneven surfaces. Low power bikes lose strength in this situation. 5000-watt motorcycles turns more smoothly and put less pressure on the battery. This helps riders finish routes more efficiently. Maintenance and long-term cost. A stronger motor does not always mean more damage. If a small motor is always working very hard, it wears out faster. But a 5000-watt motor can do the same job while working comfortably. Less stress on the motor means longer lifespan and fewer repairs. Return on investment. When buying an electric motorcycle for business, do not look only at the price. Think about maintenance costs, battery health, and motor lifespan, repair time, and daily productivity. A 5000-watt system may cost very high at first. It might seem so expensive, but it saves money in the long run. For serious business use, 5000 watt is not luxury. It is a smart decision. It is not about going faster. It is about working smarter and protecting your investment. So if you are interested in investing in electric motorcycle and you want to know more about electric motorcycle, don't forget to subscribe to get more info on electric motorcycle. Thanks for watching.